So you've already searched out the descendants of Lord John D. Cheney. What line are you currently working on?
Minerva Duel. As you can see here, I've already filled out the ancestor line back to George Sewell, who was born in 1594. Since I have recorded his ID, I can find him using the search feature on the website. So I click on Family Tree, I go down to Find, and I get, this may see by name, but this is Find Up by ID, which is what I want. I click that. I type in this number, and I click Search. Click his name, click Tree.
Since you've already searched for the descendants of George and Mary's first 3 children, today we'll look at their 4th child, George II, born in 1639. Last week you finished their son George III, so today we look at their 2nd son, William. If I remember correctly, you've done his older children down to Jonathan, born in 1710.
That's correct. Now we're ready to start working on these descendants right here. So we click the name, and we just go top down.
Looking for green circles the whole time.
Okay, this one means that that's shared with the temple. Here's one here, Sawyer. So we click on his name. This shows the ordinances that are available for him. So if we put this in by clicking his name, right click, open a new tab, and it goes up here. Then we click his name. It shows his ordinances here. We click that. We click Request. These are the ordinances that will be put in. We click Request, Accept. These ordinances were successfully shared. Now it's in progress, not printed. These will automatically go into your reservations list. So we click that, the X next to his name, and that name goes away. So then we go down to the next person. Just checking to see what's available. What we're looking for is ordinances ready. Okay, here are some ordinances. We click that. A sealing to spouse. We click the wife. Now, in this case, I would right-click her and open her link, because if we do her ordinances, then his ordinance will probably already be done with her. So we click the name. We click the green temple, Request, Request, Accept, In Progress, click that out, and we're moving on.
So in the last 2 minutes, you've just added 10 to 12 ordinances to your family file.
Right.
It's that easy.
It's that easy. Okay, we have Maxfield. These are the ordinance he needs. So we right-click his name, put him up here, click the temple, Request, Request, Accept, In Progress, not printed. Click that out.
The last 2 people were just added to your personal reservations list. Let me see if I can remember what you taught me about adding someone directly to a shared temple file. So here we have found Rose, born in 1897. I will click Request, select all the ordinances that I want to add, in this case, all of them. Click Request again, and then Accept. That is all the same as before. Now I click Share and Share Ordinances with the temple. Select all the ordinances that I want to share, in this case, all of them. Click Share with the temple. And now I have just added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more ordinances to my shared temple list. I can see both lists by clicking the temple menu item. My reservations, which has a limit of 300, is shown here. These are the ones I want to do myself. And those that I have shared with the temple are listed here. Now, as I understand it, it's not always this easy. Sometimes you run into situations where you have duplicates that you've got to deal with.
That's true.
Can you show us an example of that?
Yes, I can.